Ever pondered over the limitless potential of the gadget that resides in your pocket? In the early days, gadgets were simple tools with limited functions. They were a novelty, an accessory, a luxury. But as time marched on, these gadgets evolved, becoming more sophisticated, more versatile, and more integral to our lives. From the humble beginnings of the telegraph to the revolutionary advent of the smartphone, gadgets have come a long way. They've transformed from single-purpose devices to multifaceted tools capable of performing a myriad of tasks. Today, they're not just devices, they're our companions, our gateways to the world. Technology and innovation have been the catalyst for this transformation. As technological advancements surged, the capabilities of these gadgets expanded. They became more than just tools. They became indispensable. Think about it. Our gadgets are no longer just for making calls or sending messages. They're our personal assistants, our entertainment centers, our offices, our libraries, and so much more. They've transcended the realm of convenience to become vital components in our daily lives. The impact of this evolution can't be understated. It's changed how we communicate, how we work, how we learn, even how we entertain ourselves. The way we interact with the world has been fundamentally altered. Gadgets have given us the power to connect instantly with people across the globe, to access a wealth of information at our fingertips, to create, share, and explore like never before. They've made the world smaller, and yet they've also made it limitless. And the possibilities are only expanding. With each new development, each new innovation, the potential of these gadgets increases. They're not just changing with the times, they're driving the change. They're shaping our future. So, the next time you reach for that gadget in your pocket, take a moment to appreciate its potential. Because it's not just a device, it's a symbol of progress, of innovation, of transformation. From being mere objects of convenience to becoming powerful tools of transformation, gadgets have truly unlocked a universe of possibilities right in our pockets. All right, now that we've unraveled the potential that lies within your gadgets, let's dive into how you can harness this power. It's not enough to simply own a gadget. You need to know how to use it effectively. Whether it's a smartphone, a tablet, or a smartwatch, understanding its capabilities can help you get the most out of it. For instance, did you know that your smartphone isn't just a communication tool, but also an effective productivity device? With the right apps, you can turn your phone into a mobile office, allowing you to work from anywhere, at any time. Or perhaps you're an artist or a content creator. Your tablet paired with a suitable stylus can transform into a digital canvas, giving you the freedom to create whenever inspiration strikes. And what about your smartwatch? It's not just for telling time or tracking your steps. With the right settings, it can become your personal fitness trainer, your health monitor, or even your sleep tracker. The key is to explore, dive into the settings, experiment with different apps, tweak the functionalities, and you'll be surprised at what your gadget can do. It's like unlocking a treasure chest of possibilities. So go ahead, harness the power of your gadget. Unleash its potential. And remember, it's not just about having a gadget, it's about making it work for you. Up next, we'll be diving into some tips and tricks to help you maximize your gadget's potential. But before that, if you've been enjoying this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content like this. Stay tuned, and let's continue exploring the universe that lies within our pockets.